fans were familiar. Also, if you want the bonus SB you earned during the game, you have to stay until the end of the game to claim them,
so it's a $500 prize to get all 10 questions right.
I know you're all saying, start the game in the comments, so let's do that. These comments are going bye-bye, and I'm jumping right in with question number 1. Here it is, Q1. What do apples grow on? Vines, your shoulder, or trees?
Yes! I finally get one! Woo! So I finally got one right.
Ooh, it's a toughie.
Apples grow on trees.
You know the old saying, right? The one you use when a child is scarily similar to one of their parents. You say, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. 12,746 Cooligans are flying into Q2. Nice work, everybody. Before we get into that next question, how many of you are craving apples right now? I really want a Granny Smith. Those are my favorite kinds of apples. So how do you like them apples? All right, let's get into the next question. Here it is, everybody. Question number 2. What is the name for the teeth at the back of your mouth? Incisors, molars, or canines? This one's for all the dentists and dental hygienists playing right now. So these bad boys are doing the tough job in your mouth, pulverizing food so you can safely swallow it. And it's also the tooth that's used when you see a cartoon tooth, the molar. 12,243 of you are working like molars and pulverizing these questions in today's game of SwagIQ. You are taking a bite out of Q3, and I am wishing you the best of luck. Very few of you out on that one, so glad to see that. Really makes me very happy when the majority of you are moving on with me into the next question. So let's get right to it, everybody. Question number 3. Which of these movie ratings is appropriate for small children? G, NC-17, or R?
How come they're so easy this time? We were struggling with like the first question last week.
If you want to bring your kids to a movie and not worry at all about the content, you want the rating that tells you a movie is suitable for general audiences, and that is the G. 12,117 Cooligans are going into Q4. Yay! I'm so happy for you, everybody. Also, let's just take a little walk down memory lane. Do you remember how cool you felt when you were like 10, 11, 12, and your parents let you watch a PG-13 movie or an R-rated movie? Those were the days, people. All right, let's get into the next question. Number 4. Which of these Muppets is red? Grover, Elmo, or Dr. Teeth?
No, Elmo's blue.
Elmo's not blue? God, you almost made me screw up my perfect score. Very inconsiderate.
So, the Muppets are pretty easy to tell apart, even if you ignore their general shapes and clothing, because they have different colored fur and skin, and there's no mistaking the bright red fur of Elmo. 11,438 of you are going,
this game's
because you answered that question correctly. So I hope you liked my little happy dance. I'm just going to keep doing that until we're ready to move into the next question. Let's do it. Question number 5. In rock, paper, scissors, what beats paper? Scissors? Rock, paper, or scissors?
Holy crap, this is like the gimme one. Didn't I click scissors? Oh.
This is my go-to way to solve any problem I'm having with another person. So it goes like this. Rock smashes scissors, paper covers rock, and if someone throws paper out there, you can shred it up with some scissors. 10,321 of you are shredding up this game of SwagIQ. You got that question right, and I'm so proud of you. So you're just like the scissors in a game of rock, paper, scissors up against paper. We lost 1,500 of you on that one, but a lot of you are rejoining, which I really like to see. We've had close to 900 people rejoin. So
next question.
Yes, I love that. Let's get into the next question. Here it is, Q6. Generally, what is the widest key on a keyboard? Spacebar, tab, or enter?
Why are these so easy? Someone's going to be emailing me tonight. They're going to be like, look at my screenshot. Look at that one.
So unless you have some sort of funky keyboard that has weird keys, the widest key is also the place where astronauts go to get a drink, the space bar. But 10,117 of you got that one right, and you're going into Q7. Also, got a shout out Cole, the guy who's running the prompter and a lot of this game. He's the one who made up that cool space bar joke. So Cole, Woo! All right, let's get into the next question. Maybe he didn't make it up, did you? He probably did. Let's get into the next question. Here it is, Q7. In what sport are 3 strikes officially known as a turkey? Baseball, cricket, or bowling?
Oh, bowling. Damn it. I almost missed that. I should definitely know that.
You should have known that one. If you don't, then you know it's cricket. But you
Everyone's laughing at me back here. The whole team behind me, and there's a ton of people. He didn't make it up, just for the record. All right, let's talk about this question. In the 18th century, tournaments for this sport gave food items as grand prizes. Sounds like my type of sport. One Thanksgiving, turkeys were given out to anyone who got 3 strikes in a row while bowling. So we have 7,902 of you who are going into Q8. You're not going to be getting any food if you win today's game, but you will get SB, which you can turn into gift cards and cash. So honestly, that's better. You can buy food with that. All the food that you could ever want. All right, let's get into the next question. It's worth 2 bonus SB, everybody, so pay attention. Question number 8. Which instrument leads the tuning in an orchestra? Oboe, piano, or violin?
Which one? Which one? Oboe. I think it's oboe. I'm almost sure it's the oboe. My car just shut off. No, I actually heard this on the radio.
Okay, so the reason why it leads the tuning is because it's the least susceptible to humidity and a lot of other factors that can affect tuning. I'm talking about the oboe, and wow, we lost a lot of you on this one. 7,524 of you selected the incorrect answer. In fact, most of you went with violin. A lot of you chose piano, but it was the oboe, people. So I hope a lot of you are rejoining. A lot of you are rejoining. We've had 3,600 of you rejoin. That number just keeps climbing. 2,800 of those were free rejoins, so nice use of the free rejoin. You were so close to the end. You've only got a couple more questions to answer until that grand prize is going into your pocket, everybody. So let's get into that next question. If you didn't rejoin, we've got bonus SB right here. 2 bonus SB on question number 9. How long does it take light from the sun to reach the earth? About 8 hours, about 8 seconds, or about 8 minutes?
8 seconds?
We're guessing.
I don't think it's 8 seconds.
Light moves fast. I mean, they call it the speed of light for a reason, but it has quite a journey to take when it's going from the sun to the earth. It takes about 8 minutes to arrive. And we have 2,483 Cooligans who have arrived. You've made it this far, and you are ready for our final question.
Final question! These are lesbians! Come on, please! Be easy. 2 + 2 is 4. Come on. Final question. We're in it to win it.
Okay, if you win the game today, take a screenshot of your win, post it to social media with the hashtag SwagIQ, and include your share link. In fact, everyone, share your link, because anyone who signs up under you this month and plays 3 games before February earns you 100 SB bonus paid out on February 1st. So you get bonus SB when your friends play, so send that share link out to everyone you know. Also, don't forget to stick around after this, because we've got another game coming at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, 5 p.m. Pacific Time. We're going to have more money on the line, and you don't want to be the one person who misses the other game, do you? I mean, people will make fun of you, and you don't want that. Okay, so also, we love food, right? Food is one of my favorite things, but we also love saving time, and that's why we have great offers for you, like trying Gobble through swagbucks.com. Not only do they handle all the prep work for you, but the meals are single pan and only take 15 minutes to cook, meaning way less time waiting to eat and way less cleanup when you're done. So if you sign up today, you'll get 5,000 SB. That's $50 in gift cards or PayPal cash. You have to be a U.S. player to qualify, and you really don't lose anything by trying this out. You get those bonus SB, you get a good meal, you get an easy cleanup. It's so worth it. Check it out after the game, everybody, because I've got the final question coming up for you right now. It's worth 2 bonus SB. Let's get into it. Q10. The scientific name for the spiked tail on the Stegosaurus is a tribute to which cartoonist? Gary Larson, Dr. Seuss, or Johnny Hart?
Dr. Seuss. I think that's too obvious. I don't think he was a cartoonist either.
In one of his absurd single-panel comic strips, a caveman uses the term thagomizer in honor of the late Thag Simmons. Paleontologists adopted that term in honor of Gary Larson. And we have 1,466 people who knew that answer and are splitting our grand prize.
I'm so pissed.
Congratulations to all of you who are splitting the grand prize today. We've got Midwife Life and Chocolate Buzz taking home